हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम निशा एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल। सो आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपको कराने वाली हूँ आई एम की पावरफुल मेडिटेशन। अगर आप इसे डेली सुनते हैं तो आपका सेल्फ लव बहुत ही ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएगा और बहुत ही ज़्यादा लव्ड और अच्छा फील करेंगे। आपकी लाइफ में सिर्फ और सिर्फ अच्छी और पॉजिटिव चीज़ें ही आएंगी। सो आप इस मेडिटेशन को डेली सुनें टू इंक्रीज योर सेल्फ लव। आई एम ब्यूटिफुल, आई एम अमेजिंग, आई एम यूनिवर्स, आई एम हेल्दी, आई एम वेल्दी, आई एम प्रोटेक्टिव, आई एम सेफ, आई एम सिक्योर, I am powerful, I am worthy, I am enough, I am strong, I am radiant, I am grateful, I am blessing, I am most beautiful, I am radiant, I am worthy, I am lucky, I am abundance, I am money, I am gifted, I am blessing, I am powerful, I am talented, I am creative, I am beautiful, I am healthy, I am fit, I am magical, I am angel, I am the child of universe, I am the favorite child of the universe, I am blissful, I am positive energy, I am energy, I am the pure soul, I am blessing, I am unique, I am grounded, I am charismatic, I am leader, I am the universe, I am beautiful, I am blessing, I am happy, I am healthy, I am wealthy, I am secure, I am worthy, I am positive, I am blessed, I am grateful, I am beautiful, I am confident, I am peace, I am empowered, I am creative, I am inspiring, I am loved, I am supportive, I am guided, I am divine, I am connected, I am expressive, I am loved, I am strong, I am creative, I am safe, I am strong and energetic, I am powerful, I am safe and secure, I am gifted, I am grateful for my life, I am abundant, I am open to receive, I am blessed, I am successful, I am motivated, I am dedicated, I am strong, I am fearless, I am enough, I am peaceful, I am freedom, I am bold, I am wise, I am relaxed and calm, I am in high vibration, I am open to receive, I am kind, I am valuable, I am evolving, I am worthy of love, I am fearless, I am beautiful, am magical. I am enough. I am radiant. I am successful. I am creating the life I want. I am living my dream life. I am worthy. I am loved. I am supportive. I am enough. I am abundant. I am protected. I am strong. I am powerful. I am fearless. I am brave. I am safe. I am lovable. I am wanted. I am beautiful. I am radiant. I am joyful. I am needed. I am compassionate. I am cherished. I am adored. I am healthy. I am resilient. I am kind. I am talented. I am creative. I am intelligent. I am happiness. I am loving. I am confident. I am grateful. I am free. I am peaceful. I am grateful. I am unstoppable. I am needed. I am smart. I am kind. I am positivity. I am pure soul. I am divine. I am rich. I am the favorite child of the universe. I am loved. I am capable. I am honest. I am inspiring. I am winner. I am valuable. I am growing. I am healing. I am learning. I am rich. I am queen. I am respected. I am complete. I am healed. I am gifted. I am lucky. I am grateful. I am a loving person. I am wise. I am intuitive. I am joyous. I am happy. I am confident. I am responsible. I am creative. I am grateful. I am beautiful. I am amazing. I am powerful. I am enough. I am strong. I am positive. I am blessed. I am grateful. I am pure. Thank you so much, universe. Thank you, myself. Thank you, God.